Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
On Webull, you combine order types to control risk and lock gains. Use one cancels the other, or OCO, to place a take-profit limit, and a stop-loss together so one fills and cancels the other. A stop-loss can be a stop market or a stop limit with both a stop price and an optional limit price. A take-profit uses a limit sell order at your target price. For example, set a 20 limit on a 0-0 buy, equal to a 20% target. To set a stop-loss on Webull, open the trade screen for your ticker and choose Sell. Select Stop Market for a guaranteed market exit when triggered, or Stop Limit to set stop and limit prices. Enter your stop price. For example, on a 000 position bought at 00, you might set a 0 stop to cap loss near 10%. Choose order duration, day or GTC, and review slippage and size. Confirm and submit so the stop lives until filled or canceled. To set take profit on Webull, place a limit sell order at your target price. For example, a 20 limit equals a 20% gain on a 00 entry. To ensure risk control, use OCO and pair that limit with your stop loss so that when one order fills, the other is canceled automatically. You can also use a trailing stop to lock profits as price advances. Always set order duration, review size and slippage, and monitor or modify orders if market conditions change.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.